Hello guys, welcome to Path Gupta channel. Today I am here with the MCQs of class 9th economics and the chapter is the story of village Palampur. So the first question is, which of the following is grown in the rainy season? And the options are jowar and bajra, wheat, soyabean and rice. So the correct answer is A, jowar and bajra. So question number 2 is, which of the following is a rabi crop? So that is the options is wheat, rice, cotton, jowar and bajra. So the option number A, wheat is correct. Then is the question number 3, which of the following is a fixed capital? Tools and machines, fertilizers and pesticides, soil and seed. So the fixed capital consists of the tools, machines and buildings. So the option A is correct. Then is question number 4, which of the following is a standard unit of the measurement of land? Option are bigha, hectare, acre and gunitha. So option number B is correct, hectare. Question number 5 is, the minimum wages for a farm laborer set by the government is rupees 50, rupees 60, rupees 70, rupees 80. Option B is correct, rupees 60. Then is the question number 6, money in the hand in an example of. So money in a hand in example of the working capital. Now there is a question number 7. HYVC stands for. A option is heavy yielding variety seeds, B high yielding variety seeds, C half yielding variety seeds, D is none. So the B option is correct, high yielding variety seeds. Question number 8, what is the main production activity in Palampur village? So that is the farming, so the A option is correct. Question number 9, multiple cropping means growing only 2 crops, only 3 crops, only up to 4 crops or more than 1 crop. So the option number D is correct, more than 1 crop. Land under cultivation in the India in the year 2000 was. So that was C 140. Question number 11, which area in India has a low level of irrigation? Deccan Plateau, coastal regions, riverine plains, both A and B. So option D, Deccan Plateau and coastal region. Coastal regions, why? Because in your book there are the coastal plains. So here the option number D is correct, means both A and B are correct. Question number 12. Modern farming methods were tried in the India for the first time in. So they were tried in the Punjab, Haryana and the Western Uttar Pradesh. So option number D, all the above are correct, is the correct. Question number 13. Which of the following is the modern farming method? Multiple cropping, use of the HYV seeds, use of the chemical fertilizers, both B and C. So both B and C are correct. That is option number D. Question number 14 is, production of the pulses in India during 2000 to 2001 was. So the option number C is correct, that is 14. Which one is a natural resource? So minerals. Option number C. Question number 16. High yielding variety seeds were introduced to the Indian farmer as a result of the white revolution, green revolution, IT revolution or none of the above. Option number B is correct, green revolution. Question number 17. Which kharif crop is used for the cattle field? So that is jowar and bajra, option number C. The activities such as small manufacturing, transport, shopkeeping are referred to as the non-farming activities, option number B. Then is the question number 19. High yielding variety seeds are developed in. So they are developed in the research institute. So the option number A is correct. Question number 20. The concept of the white revolution is associated with. So that is the milk. Who is a person who puts together land, labor and capital? Option number B, entrepreneur. Question number 22. A farmer who works on a piece of 1 hectare of land is treated as. So that farmer is treated as the small farmer. Question number 23. Scope of farming activity is limited on the Palampur due to the fixed amount of land, lack of irrigation, lack of labor, and none of the above. So the option number fixed amount of land is correct. Question number 24. What is done to the surplus wheat in the Palampur? Option number A, sold in the market. Consumption of chemical fertilizers is highest in which state of India? So that is Punjab. People of Palampur sell milk in the nearby large village named Pritampura, Siliguri, Shahpur and Raiganj. So the option number D, Raiganj, is correct. Question number 27. Out of the total cultivated areas in India, how much area is irrigated today? So that is less than 40%. Option number A. Question number 32. Why do the farmers of the Palampur follow multiple cropping? Choose the correct answer. So they follow the multiple cropping because the water consumption is less in the method, because this method consumes less chemical fertilizers, because this method doesn't require fertile soils, because the method is the most common way of increasing production. So the option number D is correct. Which of the following transformed the system of the irrigation in Palampur? So that is the tube wells. How many families live in the village Palampur? D, 450 families. Question number 35. Which one among the following is a non-farming activity? So that is option number C, dairy farming. Question number 36. Which of the following is an effect of the modern farming? So 2 minutes. So the answer to this question would be the deforestation. That is the option number B. Then is the question number 37. Marginal farmers are those who use modern methods of farming, who practice crop rotation for farming, who did not have sufficient land for farming, who use modern methods of irrigation. So the option number C is correct, who did not have sufficient land for farming. Then is question number 38. Working capital stands for the money in hand, raw materials and money in hand. So the option number B is correct. Tools, machines and buildings come in the physical capital, and the rest to C and D are not in the chapter. Question number 39 is which is the most abundant factor of the production in the India? So that is the labor. Question number last 40. Multiple cropping refers to cultivation of wheat and rice, cultivation of two crops as alternative rows, cultivating more than one crop on the same field each year, cultivating crops and rearing animals on the same farm. So the option number C is correct. So if you get any help from these MCQs, please like this video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you can get notified whenever I post any update. Thank you and see you soon.